Hey everybody, welcome back to Wallet Reset. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about earning money from a blog, making income from blogging. All right, so I'm just going to dive right into this because my girlfriend's feeling a little under the weather and I got to go ahead and take care of her. But there's 4 ways that I know of that you can really make money from a blog. All right, so number 1 is ads through like AdSense, stuff like that. You can also sell your own ads. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3 is having your own products. And number 4, something I don't see a lot done lately, but it can be quite lucrative if you can do it right, is sponsors articles, excuse me. So these are all very good ways to make money from your blog. However, each blog has to have its own sources of traffic that is not only just getting people to your site, right? In order for all of this to work, you need to have targeted traffic. So when you're first starting out, especially as a beginner, you probably don't have a budget for like advertising. You don't probably even know anything about how to advertise content from your blog to make money. So what I'm going to tell you really quickly is a quick strategy that hopefully by the end of this video you understand and you can use it to start getting some traffic right away. So first and foremost, you have to understand SEO, right? Now, you don't have to go into super techie difficulty SEO. What you have to understand is the technical on-site SEO, which is very few steps. Essentially, you just have to link your articles that make sense to link to, and also link out to articles basically giving a citation to an authority website or authority content from another site. This will help you rank simply because it has everything that basically Google is looking for. I don't want to get too technical with you. Just it gives you everything that Google is looking for. All right. Also, you want to promote that content. Now, what people used to do in the past is you would just buy a whole bunch of links and eventually you'd get ranked number 1 and you'd be making money because people would just click on the number 1 spot. Times have changed and Google looks at links, but Google doesn't really care about certain types of links. So if you make a link, like if you go out and make your own link with the purpose of building a link to your own site, Google eventually finds that out just based on how it's done, and it basically gets voided out to where it doesn't even help you. So the best thing you can do is learn to look at SEO and link building as PR, right? Basically, you got to build network. You got a network in your niche, and you got to get people to your site from other sites that are engaged, right? So this is basically like guest posting, but it doesn't just have to be guest posting. It can be something like medium.com. There's plenty of other places you can go to get actual audience members to come to your site. You can also use social media, but ultimately you have to approach this as a business where you're going to have to email people, you're going to have to talk to people and negotiate like, hey, I wanted to write for you. This is a good article or a couple good article topics. What do you think? You're going to get some links. You're not going to get a ton of links to start out with, but it's a good practice to get into. All right, finally, social media is going to be huge, especially when you start to get a little bit of traffic. You're going to want to, and there's no 2 ways around it, you're going to want to boost some of your content so that you can get more viewers to your post. Now, you don't want to just boost straight up. You want to be very targeted about who you're boosting your content to. And the best way to do that, to be honest with you, is through using platforms that are specifically for targeting people by their interests. All right, now keywords are good. So, and as a matter of fact, keywords can sometimes be better, but the only downside is that keyword traffic, when you're paying for ads, can sometimes be a little bit more expensive simply because when you're promoting content on social media feeds and social media sites, you tend to have basically other people share, which gives you free traffic, which is called earned media. All right, so that's really it. You want to go after the audience who knows what they want, who are familiar with your topic, and leave aside everyone else. That's targeted traffic. Hopefully this video has helped you guys out. I'm going to go help my sick girlfriend to get better. But if you have any questions, leave the questions in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you out. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.